Visiting Bont Newydd, y Cartref Café, Age Cymru Gwynedd a Môn. Welcome back to the cafe at y Cartref Age Cymru Gwynedd a Môn, Bont Newydd. Customers will need to book a table beforehand by calling 01286 685 926. For the time being, we'll be serving our Meals on Wheels menu in the cafe. You'll be asked to confirm what you'd like to eat beforehand, over the phone or email. We kindly ask that you wear a mask when you arrive and when you get up from your table. When you arrive, you'll be asked to sign yourself in by the cafe entrance. Staff will serve food and drinks to your table. You're welcome to pay when you arrive or at the end of your meal. We accept cash or card payments.